Want to create a fresh, elegant tablescape that feels like summer? Today I'll show you how to design a modern lemon-themed dining setup that's perfect for weddings, parties, or cozy outdoor dinners. Let me show you how to style it with a mood board first. This mood board captures the essence of a Mediterranean-inspired lemon garden celebration, a perfect blend of rustic warmth and modern elegance. Scattered fresh lemons as natural decor, eucalyptus garland for greenery balance, yellow and white napkin, placemat and coaster. Smooth, ceramic dinnerware in muted tones paired with sleek gold cutlery for a luxe touch, transparent gold, votives with candles for a romantic glow, vintage green goblets for elegance and color contrast, rustic and modern fusion, raw wood with chic styling. And that's how this tablescape blends Mediterranean-inspired lemon garden celebration, setting the tone for connection, celebration and effortless beauty. Planning an outdoor party and need some inspiration? Let's create a stunning lemon-themed tablescape that will leave your guests speechless. This design is all about fresh, vibrant elegance mixed with a touch of rustic charm. First, let's talk about the foundation. We're starting with a beautiful rustic wooden table. See how the natural grain and texture shine through? We're not using a tablecloth because we want that warm, organic feel to be the star. Paired with these gorgeous gold Ivory chairs with cream cushions, we've instantly added a layer of sophistication. Now, for the centerpiece, which is where the magic really happens. A long ivory fabric runner drapes gracefully down the middle, creating a soft, elegant base. On top of this, we're weaving a lush garland of eucalyptus leaves and fresh greenery. This brings the garden right onto our table. And of course, it wouldn't be a lemon theme without lemons. We're scattering whole, bright yellow lemons all along the runner. These pops of color are so cheerful and inviting. To add height and a classic touch, we're placing tall, slender glass vases with single white and yellow roses. Aren't they lovely? And for that warm, ambient glow, we'll sprinkle in some gold votive candle holders with little tea lights. Let's set the table for our guests. Each place setting begins with a round woven rattan charger. This adds a wonderful, earthy texture that complements the wooden table perfectly. On top, we'll place a simple, crisp white plate. A beautifully printed menu card sits right on the plate, letting guests know what delicious treats are in store. Next, the details that tie it all together. A neatly folded, vibrant yellow napkin rests on each charger, reinforcing our sunny lemon theme. And look at this cutlery. Polished gold flatware, forks, knives, and spoons adds that perfect touch of chic luxury. It just gleams against the natural elements. For glassware, we're choosing something special. These green, vintage-style goblets have a beautiful textured surface. The green color not only contrasts wonderfully with the yellow lemons, but also ties back to the eucalyptus garland, creating a cohesive, nature-inspired palette. Imagine this scene in the evening. As the sun sets, the candlelight from the gold votives will dance and flicker, reflecting off the glassware and gold cutlery. It creates such an intimate, cozy, and magical atmosphere. The combination of natural wood, fresh greenery, vibrant yellows, and elegant gold is just perfect. This lemon-inspired tablescape is ideal for any celebration, a summer brunch, a bridal shower, or even an intimate wedding reception. It's sunny, it's inviting, and it feels so effortlessly celebratory. You've blended rustic charm with modern elegance to create a truly unforgettable dining experience. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more decor inspiration, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.